go, chicken. Hi everyone, Dom here, and today I'll be showing you how to fix your MX6's rusted sunroof. So in case you didn't know, the MX6 shares a platform with the Ford Probe, and there was a little support on the MX6 forums detailing how to get the sunroof out, so I ended up looking at the Ford Probe forums, and I found out that you don't actually need to take out the headlining. You only really need to take out the headlining from the sunroof. And now, just with these 10mm bolts, you just loosen them up. You could probably do them by hand once they're loose enough, and the sunroof should be fairly easy to lift straight out. You can already see that. You can move it a bit, and it looks like someone's already bogged up this one. So just put the nuts somewhere. Yes, I know what this is. Here we go. Newtek. So in case you don't know, this stuff is New Zealand made, and one of the guys I work with reckons it's a gift from heaven. So Newtek works the same way as body filler. What makes it different is that it has bits of carbon fiber and steel in it. Apparently they claim that it's very lightweight and very strong, but you have to work on it while it's still setting, otherwise it becomes rock solid. So the entire process of mixing the hardener and the newtek is the same as using a body filler. However, the measurements are a bit different, and you need to use more hardener with newtek than you do with body filler. So compared to body filler, this stuff is a lot more elastic and stringy. And once you put it in, it's a lot, well, harder to actually move it around and get it into all the fine crevices, since it all wants to stick together. So it's been a couple days since I used the newtek, and it's had a chance to dry a bit, and I've also sanded it down smooth, as you can see. The next step is to fill in the even smaller holes with actual body filler, since the newtek is all stringy and doesn't actually like to go into small holes. And once again, you want to sand it down quite a bit. I actually ran through a few sanding pads just doing this, but it was worth it and it got a good finish. And here we have it all finished, ready for paint. So I went to Car Colours and got a colour matched paint can. This is just your basic spray it on and overlap it by 50% each time, and it will come out looking decent. It won't be as good as factory, but it'll do the job. So this is about 3 or 4 coats of metallic paint and 2 or 3 coats of clear coat. You can really see the metallic fleck in there. And now it's time to actually install the sunroof back in the car, now that I've let it sit for a few hours to dry off. The procedure is pretty much the same as removing the sunroof, just in reverse. And now the fixed sunroof is back in the car.